Hello, and welcome to Crafty Christie's Creations how-to videos. I'm Christy, the crafter behind the hands. These how-to videos teach you how to make DIY projects using paper and vinyl materials that can be cut on your electronic cutting machine. I'll go over tips and hacks that will simplify the process and have you crafting with confidence. Grab some coffee, sit back, and learn how to create something new. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this Easter Bunny greeting card. So as you can see, I already have all the pieces cut out and laid out on my workspace here. And I'm going to start with assembling the egg first. Sorry about the shaky movie. I keep hitting my stand. So I'm going to start by applying a thin layer of glue to the entire egg. In hindsight, I would just apply glue to the top half because by the time I got to the bottom, my glue had already dried up and I ended up applying more. So when you cut everything and remove it from your cut mat, the pieces for the egg, it's really important to lay them out so that you know which piece goes where, especially with the little zigzag pieces. They are not all the same size. So if you don't keep them in the correct order, it makes it a little bit harder to assemble your egg, and you want it to turn out right the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video as I apply the rest of my egg, and I'll give you some cool music to listen to. All right, so I've got the egg put together. I'm going to go ahead and put it under something heavy to let it dry. And I'm going to fold all of my score marks. So you've got that little tab at the bottom and then the two arms. And then it's hard to see on film here, but there's a little score line in the middle there. And that is to line up this little belly piece that has your sentiment on it. So you'll line up the bottom of this just right on that little dash score line there, and you want to just get that centered, and then your egg will hide all of that when it's put together. So just press that into place, and then we'll go ahead and start putting our ears and face together, and then we will do our feet. So this is just all paper piecing. If you are not a big fan of paper piecing, especially some of these small bits, you could certainly do this as a print and cut design and then just print the pink with the words on it and then all the little areas. I did do the stomach piece as a print and cut. So I tried doing it as a sketch line, but it just didn't turn out quite as well, so I did go ahead and do it as a print and cut piece. You also have the option to not use that sentiment and then just to write something by hand. But I am going to go ahead and fast forward again as I put the rest of this together. You can see here with the eyes, I tried to line them up with the corners of the ears and then kind of the corner of the nose piece. It's all just kind of personal preference at this point. There's no real landmarks laid out to tell you exactly where to line pieces up. So I'm just gonna speed it up till we get everything put back together. All we have left to do is attach the egg. So you're going to fold that tab up, and the bottom of the egg is going to sit flush on that tab, and that covers up your sentiment, and then you're ready to go. This will fit in a standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 envelope. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more how-to videos. If you're interested in purchasing this design, head over to my website at craftychristiescreations.com. Until next time, with love, Crafty Christy.